Hello, viewers, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look on what is happening in the nation Zimbabwe. Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe is defaulted another court by the National Prosecution Authority of Zimbabwe through the magistrate. So we need to take a look onto this matter and understand what is really happening and what is really transpiring. Remember, Chatunga Mugabe has been one of the critics of the government of Robert Mugabe. We have seen another fake account of Chatunga Mugabe. Disregard that fake account. Chatunga Mugabe supported Nelson Chamisa in the previous elections and is robustly against whatever which is happening within ZANU PF. And he does have his own mind, his own thinking. So I want to share with you some critical information. The reason why they are fighting Chatunga Mugabe according to the beliefs which they carry at this point in time, which they have. But before we go any further, let us read what the National Prosecution Authority is saying. They say Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe, who was supposed to appear before the Bedbridge Magistrates Court today, was issued with a warrant of arrest after he defaulted court. The accused person is facing two counts as follows. Number one, disorderly conduct. Allegations are that on the 31st of August 2024, the accused person's vehicle, which was being driven by a South African national, was stopped at Bubi security roadblock in Bedbridge. The driver was asked to produce his passport and vehicle registration documents. Before the driver could comply, the accused person handed his passport to the police officer. The police officer ordered the driver to park the vehicle on the side of the road. It is alleged that the accused person complained after the police officer requested that the driver parks the motor vehicle further off the road. He allegedly disembarked from the vehicle and charged towards the police officer, shouting, "What are you doing? You are delaying me for the fourth time. I'm rushing to a wedding in Harare. Check my passport. Don't you know who I am?" So, charge number two or count two is possession of prohibited knives. During the scuffle, a small brown knife allegedly fell from the accused person's black hooded fleece jacket. The police recovered the knife, leading to the accused person's arrest. Let us start with the second count, count number two. What are prohibited knives in Zimbabwe? Because it reads a small brown knife, a small brown knife. The knife is not explained kuti ibanga rakaita sei. It's like an okapi. Tiri kuona maokapi, mapanga maokapi ari kutengeswa mumbare pamusika nevanhu vari kufamba vachitotengesa mapanga vanhu vachitotenga vachinocheka miriwo yavo nembudzi dzavo nehuku dzavo kumamisha. So when something is prohibited, people must know what is prohibited. We do not know because haana kuburitsa banga iye pachake. Vari kuti rakadonha, banga iri rakadonha, haana kuburitsa, rakadonha pakunge vachinetsana, which means it was kept safely paranga riri. The major question is, how is it prohibited? What features does this knife carry which makes it prohibited? This whole count number two, it makes the National Prosecuting Authority look like a laughing stock or like a joke. Because, guys, banga, inini hangu, what I know is chisingabvumirwe kufamba wakabata demo risiri musaga in the public, kana uchifamba unaro you cover it. Kuzofamba wakavhura banga wakaribata, all those issues. But, guys, how do we determine that this is a prohibited knife? Tozviziva sei kuti aya mapanga abvumirwe? Where are they labeled kuti aya neaya 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 haabvumirwe? Maybe they can help us, because once someone is convicted using this law, then it becomes a problem. Everybody tikangodidi ndotomhanya nokumhangarira and wakutosungirwa mhosva iyoyo yepossession of prohibited knives. I believe kuti kune mapanga maybe ari military knives which are known kuti these knives are found only within the military structures and cycles. Iwayayo we can agree, tinogona kunzwa, But when it comes to mamwe mapanga ese anongowanika mumashops anogona kungotengeswa mumashops and other places, then it becomes very difficult for you to say iri banga iri radai radai radai. That explanation is not there. Then on the first count, naturally, if the police is on the roadblock and they are not having an operation which is different, and this is about the law, what I have observed in the traveler by car in the past years, what I've observed in the roads, in the highways, they stop you, they ask you for your driver's license, probably you produce it or whatever. The major question is, how do they order someone wavari kunyatsoziva kuti uyu mwana wamugabe uyu? Tirungotaura naturally, this is not about the law. Naturally, this is what I've seen happening. Vana vevakuru muzimbabwe muno vakangoidentifiwa kuti ndiye naturally anobva atongonzi pfuura uende. Chatunga Mugabe is a son of a former president. That little respect iyoyo mapurisa chaiwo chaiwo edu aya havatombodi kupinzwa in the mix yezvinhu zvakadaro. Naturally, they don't want to be involved in such mix because vanoziva kuti zvinhu zvinogona kungotikanganisira even mabasa. It doesn't mean kuti kana our former first lady is now powerless, they are still powerful. So naturally, they don't want to involve themselves in such issues, which makes it difficult for us to say this was not a direct order which was given from above. So when allegations come, these allegations are saying Chatunga Mugabe knows something which is wanted or demanded by Munhu Mutapa so that he consolidates power. Chinhu ichocho kana asina, it becomes difficult kuti atambirwe nematare avo eumambo. So Chatunga Mugabe is the person who knows kuti zvinhu izvozvo zvinofamba sei, because the allegations say he was told in details by his father. Robert Jr. zviri kunzi izvo akasiyiwa without that information because anonzi hana yake inhete. So growing up unotoziva kuti uyu ane hana yakadai, uyu ane hana yakadai, uyu ane hana yakadai, uyu ukampa responsibility anodai, ukamutuma anodai. This is the reason why it's believed kuti mukomana uyu ane zvaakasiyirwa, ane zvaakapiwa. Also, this young man, he knows certain people which are critical or who are critical within the government or the structures dzekuti zvinhu zvinofamba sei, which means he does have influence to some extent inogona kukonzeresa kuti third term plan iri kurongwa ifoire. That is the reason why they are fighting him. So if you look at the allegations being raised, several times we've seen Pachinzi family huyai tiri kuda certain items emukuru auye kumuseum, is fingered kuti is one of the people vari kumisa zvinhu kutaura kuti hazviite. There are certain things zvisingaende kumuseum zviri kudiwa. So if you look at all those things, guys, imagine kuti munhu ndiye ari kuziva zvinhu zviri kuitika, and that person, and hana chimwe chinhu chaaita chinowaranda kuti anga achisungwa. How do you deal with that person? You create stories. So this is speculation. This is what is happening. The sources are bringing these allegations is there is something which is being sought after, which Chatunga knows very well, but has refused or is not cooperating or has given orders kuti zvinhu izvozvo sabuda zvakadaro. So whatever which is happening, it's a very, very sad situation which is happening to Chatunga Mugabe. We expect him to be following the law, but when something looks like persecution is happening, it then becomes a problem. So, ZANU-PF politics is problematic. If you read at this one, Zim Daily says we strongly disagreed with Mugabe, but this is a petty arrest warrant. So I agree with this assertion, because if you look at what is happening and the information which is moving in the gossip corridors, then it becomes a problem. Anzina Ango Theo, are you supporting a criminal? Personally, I'm trying to figure out the criminality of what happened, criminality of this element, because guys, if you look at what really happened pana pa charge sheet that statement from the National Prosecution Authority, handisi kuona pakaparwa mhosva. Ina yangu kuona kwangu pakaparwa mhosva chaipo chaipo, I'm finding it difficult to understand and ascertain, because is this what really happened? Is this what really happened? Because these guys, they had a chance or an opportunity to even flee from the scene, vozosungwa from another place. Kana alright, Chatunga hana chaanga abatirwa, ko kana vanga vatiza chichaitika, mupurisa achiaccepta passport oti oiwithholda, osara nayo aiwithholda kana zviri zvakaitika, achiti chii. We need to hear proper issues dzekuti the driver failed to comply or failed to produce the driver's license. Ndo charge iri kufanira kunge iripo yekutanga. Number 2, Bellarmine must be charged with an issue of obstruction of justice. Ndo mhosva dzari kufanira kunge achitongerwa. For those vari kupopota vachiti hanzi no one is above the law, you must know the law kuti inoparata sei. Number 1, driver is supposed to be charged with failure to produce the driver's license. Number 2, Chatunga must be charged with obstruction of justice. Zvese zvimwe zvakazopiwa zviri zvakanyorwa izvo zvaifanira kungozouya zvichizobetseredza zvakaitika pakati parwa mhosva. Mhosva chaiyo chaiyo ndo dzandakutsanangurirai idzi kana mukada kuteedzera mutemo chaiwo chaiwo. Because kana driver akanzi ndipewo madocuments ako as a driver of a vehicle, akatadza kuburitsa, he failed to comply with an instruction of the office of the law, ane mhosva. Secondly, if Bellarmine Chatunga handed over his passport, then he obstructed the course of justice, because pakatoparwa mhosva na driver, iye achibva azoenda over passport, he then obstructed the course of justice. Why is that charge not available? This then makes us prove that this is persecution of some sort. This speculation dzinenge dziriko and rumors anenge achibuda and other intel inenge ichibuda from different sources and various sources. We are not hating, we are not supporting criminality, we are not supporting anything, but we look at the facts and we look at the law, and then we say, okay, mhosva ingadai yakaparwa ndeipi, which means in the construction of their charges vatotadza even kuconstructa mhosva yacho, vatotadza. So if you look at these guys, you can agree with me. If these people are serious, they must simply go to this statement. Any person who is a lawyer or who is a prosecutor or who knows the law, go to this statement which is right here on the screen. Take the charges, 2 counts dziripo idzo dzakasungirwa Chatunga. Then bring macharges andaunzawo inini and see kuti charge dzinomira ndedzipi, dzinonzi idzi ndidzo chaidzo ndedzipi. It shows kuti NPA inaita basi. Ndo zvazvinoreva, because NPA kana mhosva ikauya isina kuti twasa vanofanira kudzosera docket. Kuti aiwa dzokerai munogadzirisa docket renyu muuye nemhosva chaiyo. Apa hapana mhosva. Panyaya dziri apa chaidzo hapana mhosva. So whatever zvekuzonzi akati chii vakazorwisana vakazoita sei, the fact yekuti they parked paside peroad, it shows kuti they were complying, they were in compliance, but something shoddy was happening there. This is my own view. So guys, I do not know your thoughts or whatever, but this confirms speculation and information which is circulating kuti mukomana uyu ane paari kuvavhiringidza pari kuda kuti metse dzavo dziendeke, because remember, spiritualism lives amongst us. Spiritualism lives amongst us. And kuti vapedze zvikaranga zvavo vane zvavari kuda, and the stumbling block is Chatunga. There is nothing they can do to him because he can decide to kuzvibuditsa or not. He has tried by all means possible to live within the means of the law. That is the reason why vasina chimwe chimhosva chavanogona kuuya vachimupomera chinogona kumumanikidza. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. I do not know your thoughts, your views, whatever, but this is what we have at this point in time. And we'll continue to watch and see kuti inopera sei nyaya iyoyo. The major question is, where is he? Is he still in Zimbabwe or not? Or he has gone out? We'll wait to see what is going to happen. A warrant of arrest has been issued. We'll wait to see if he's going to be arrested and how everything is going to happen. So this is it. Let us continue to watch and see what is happening. Let me check if there are any comments. Okay. Mhlanga says, I missed your media when you were absent. Okay, thank you very much for that. I hope and believe that will be coming live on daily basis from now going forward. We are looking forward to have a Starlink installed so that we can have more stable internet connection. Right now, tiri kushandisa internet iri very, 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 very slow. Yekuti the upload speed is even less than 1 megabyte per second, which is a problem. So we'll wait to see what is going to happen. We'll wait to see how everything is going to unfold. But Zirikuitika Zimbabwe, guys, let us continue to pray such that God protects us. Okay, Givalo says he is in hospital at the moment. Okay, so thank you very much for that update, Givalo, which means if he was in hospital, there is nothing they can do. Yes, it will be a matter of procedure to issue that warrant of arrest, which will then be cancelled. Parukwa certain wakuti indeed he was in hospital. This is Team Zimbabwe. Let us meet in